Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So in this video I am going to be showing you the new Filmora Wondershare. That's the editor that I use right now. The other video was about the Windows Movie Maker. So I'm now going to show you the Filmora. So when you get your Wondershare, which is, I'm going to go ahead and type it here. Wondershare. I'm just going to put Wondershare. Okay, so we're here at the Wondershare. This is the Wondershare website. Now, the Wondershare website, let me tell you something about it. You can download a free trial, which is what I did first. I downloaded a free trial and you upload the video. But when you want to upload another video, it just tells you that you have to buy it. Because if you don't buy it, then the watermark is going to appear on your video, and that's just kind of like... that's not good. I don't like doing that. So you get to buy it. I got mine for $39.99, which is 1 year. I recently just got, I bought it again. So I'm good for 1 year. But a 1 year passed and you have to buy it. There's more options here, but this is what the site looks like. There's a lot of Wondershare Filmora. I love it. It's amazing. So yeah, so after you buy and stuff like that, it's gonna appear like this here on the screen. So this is the easy mode. This is when you just have to like edit a little part. You can use this one, instant cutter. If you have to like cut something that you don't like, you're reviewing your video, you're like, oh no, I don't want to do it all over again. So you just click here. The action cam tool is just for like video, like I'm showing you right now, the webcam. But we're gonna go ahead and do the full future mode. Alright, so now that we're here, this is what the Filmora looks like. It's pretty awesome. I have some videos here. So right here is the music. You could, actually Filmora has its own music, so it's pretty cool. But if you don't like it, you can go ahead and, you know, use your own music. Non-copyrighted music, of course, because, you know, you don't want to get copyrighted. These are the cool text, the opener, the titles, the lower text, the subtitles, end credits. You know, if you're like doing like a movie or something, you can put like end credits, which is pretty cool. Transitions are the ones that, you know, I use in my videos. Say, oh hey guys, welcome back, and there's like a little transition. Well, these are the transitions right here. These are pretty awesome transitions. The filters, you know, you can use these filters if you want. I really don't use them, but there's a lot. These are overlays, you know, your videos can be like nice and overlays, but I don't use them again. The elements, I do use elements. I use the web, so this is how I get my, you know, the thumbs up and stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing you that in a minute. This, you can split your screen, you know, if you're doing a video and you just want this side to pause and this one action, you can do that. Okay, so the first thing is, of course, your video. Now, these are sample colors. If you don't have an intro, you can use a sample color, or you can use a sample video, which is right here. But I do have my own intro. So I'm going to go ahead and put like my intro. I'm going to put this intro right here so you know, you can see. Okay, so my intro is right here. Here it is. Ta-da, right there. Now, I'm just going to use the video that I showed you guys, the Windows Movie Maker one, because I don't want to look for a video. So this is the Windows Movie Maker one that I have now. So now we're going to go ahead and play it. Okay, so I want to take the part out. So right here, down here, it's going to have like a little scissors, like split. So you're going to pause your video and you're going to click the little scissors. And that's the little scissors was going to do is just going to split it. So now you're going to right click on the video and you're just going to delete. Now what I do here is I add a transition, which is what I love to do. There's a lot of transitions. I'm going to go ahead and add just a 3D one. So I'm going to go ahead and add that one. The box flip too. So, okay, here we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and push play. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and there you go. You see that? You see the transition? That's a beautiful transition. So now you go on your video and stuff like that, and once again you're going to pause your video and you're going to click that and you're going to play your video. Green over here. So let's wait. Select that part. I mean, you don't want to sit there and wait until the video, you know, loads. So what you're going to do is you're going to go click. You're going to right click there. And bam. There you go. So now you're just going to wait for the video like this. Just like that. So now, like that. You're going to right click and you're going to delete. So there you go. So now you're not waiting so much. The people don't get bored waiting for the video to upload. So this goes now that it's downloading. So there you go. Magic is done. So now that you know how to edit and stuff like that, cutting and stuff, now I'm going to show you the text. Now if you want to add a text, like you messed up saying something and you know you're editing, you're like, oh, I wasn't supposed to say that. So we're going to click here, subtitles. Okay, we're going to click subtitles right here, like that. And this little subtitle is going to appear, and it's going to appear in your video. You're going to double click the title, and in here you can just type, whatever you want to say. Like, whatever. Like, follow me on Instagram. Let's do that. Follow me on Instagram. Oh my god. Like that. So now the cool part is you can make it big. You know, you can make it big, you can move it around, and the cool thing is the style. Make it style. The animation, you can just, put this one, and that's how it's going to appear. You're going to press OK, and here you can put it as long as you can put it your follow me on Instagram or whatever you want to put, all the entire video if you want. You don't have to, but it's going to show something like this. Put it up all the way high so we can click here. Ta-da, like that. And now we're going to push play. So there you go. So let's follow me on Instagram. It's just a little bit. So that is how you add a text. You can also do titles in here. I mean, if you want to. Laurel 3Ds if you want. This is just text. Now, the other ones that I want to show you is the elements. So when your video, you like your video and you're ending your video like I do. Like I do in my videos, I'm going to go ahead and put a big thumbs up. So go ahead and click the little plus button, and it automatically is going to, appear there. So for example, you want to put it here, you're going to go ahead and click this little plus. There we go. And it's going to lower down here. And now here you can make it big, you can make it small, you can turn it around like this, and you're going to double click here, and then you're going here. It's pretty cool because you can appear how, if you want to do like the photo spin, then it's going to photo spin. I'm going to show you now. So let's play it. This helps you guys whoever starting a YouTube channel and wants to learn how to edit. Take your time. See, there you go. So that is how I add my thumbs up and everything. It has so many, so you can actually just, download them, and it has so many stuff. Now, how do I put my subscribe button? Now, this doesn't have a subscribe button, so I just got this from, Google. So what I do is I click and I drag it down and I put it right here. So that is right. It's going to go down here. So that's how you put the subscribe button here. You can make it small as well as a thumbnail. You can click on it, flip it, and then fix it how small do you want it or big. And let me show you a little preview. The editor, because you're going to get it. The first time I edited, well, there you go. See? So it just flips around and it's just nice and beautiful. Also, you can do split screens. There's a bunch of I don't do this one because I don't really have, I don't want to. Also, the music it has young, bright, tender, rock, flock, and electronic, and sound effects. So yeah, so you can just add it. Just to add like a song, just click on it. And this is how the song looks like. SkyDrive, Facebook. You can click on the song, and here you can just volume down so it's just not too much. Like Venmo, you can Flickr, also put it up, and I don't know what that is. Okay, so there you go. So you can fade it in, fade it out, you know, speed the music or whatever. Now the cool part is if you want to, you know, make your voice like a scroll, like I say it, it's pretty amazing. So I'm just gonna edit this part. Just click the part that you want to be funny, and this part here, press here. You're gonna double click here, and then on the audio, you're going to pitch. Like if you want it all the way 12, like I do, then you click this and it's just established the. That's how you do like the little scroll. Now if you don't want it all the way 12, which I don't do, I do like 3. This is how it sounds like.
Yeah, so it doesn't shake too much. So that's pretty cool.
So there you go. So you can, Filmora has amazing stuff. I love it. They came out with Filmora 9, which I haven't used yet, but I think I'm going to start using it. So I got to figure out how to use it because it's new. But it is very awesome. I like it. It's a free trial. You can try it out, and if you like it, you can buy it. If you don't, you can just use regular, you know, your regular stuff, your regular editor that you use. So that is how you edit from Filmora Wondershare. I love it. And I'll put the website below so you guys can check it out, you know, download it, play with it. If you like it, you can go ahead and buy it, which is awesome. So yes, I really hope you guys enjoy this video because I love teaching you guys how to edit and stuff like that, because I know that it's really hard to edit. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I want to say thank you to my new subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to push that notification. Don't forget to push that notification bell so you guys won't miss none of my videos. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I would love to answer your questions. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day today. And don't forget to smile, and I will see you in my other video. Bye, guys.